Growing your channel can be ridiculously hard if you don't know what to do. So here's 4 things that you can do to increase your chances of growing your YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 1, increase your click-through rate. That means your thumbnails and your titles. So you have to make sure they go together and they're simple and understandable. Number 2 is your audience retention. You can increase this by make sure your thumbnail title and your hook represent what's in the video, meaning your thumbnail and your title represent something, and then your hook for your video confirms it. The second thing you can do is your editing. You can edit the video such a way that people will watch longer. Number 3 is your getting people to the next video. So let me explain. You got people to click on your video, then you got people to watch all the way through. Now you got them to the next video.
Amazing!
How you do this? Well, you put an end screen on your video. I have a video right here or right there on these top spots, and it will show you how to do that. But when you do that, it will get people to the next video. You also put playlist and your channel on there. Number 4, researching your competitors. This is good because if you got people in your niche, meaning making the same kind of content as you, then you can study from the professionals, so to speak. So how do you do this? You can say subscribe to their channels, and then watch their videos, see how they title and thumbnail with the thumbnails, and to add a bonus tip for you, vidIQ, link in the description, will help you keep track of these competitors. So if you want vidIQ, you can get a 30-day trial for free and see how you like it. Link in the description. Now, watch the video coming up, and I will show you how a YouTube view hack can help you increase your views. And see you on that video. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.